How to lower the rear seats of your Honda Civic 2012 to 2015, 2 doors or sedan 4 doors. This is a 2 doors, but it works the same on the 4 doors. Pop the trunk, and in the trunk you're gonna notice on the top over here a lever that you need to pull. You have 2 of them. Pull on both of them. Pull once or twice just to make sure. And now we just need to lower the rear seats by pushing on them. If you have long arms, you can go through the trunk and push on the seats so they fall down. But if not, just go do the tour, go inside of the car. If you have the coupe 2 doors, you'll have to bring the front seats a bit forward, and then you'll be able to have access a bit more easy to the rear, where you will be able to lower the backrest of the seat. Now you have a lot more space to load stuff. Once you're done, you just need to put back the backrest simply by bringing it, and make sure that it clips in place and it stays securely put. This is very important. And yeah, this is about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.